Masats is an international benchmark company in the field of the accessibility systems for public transport. This includes passenger service doors, ramps and lifts for bus and train sectors. We also in the railway infrastructure sector, developing and building platform screen doors. The line of work in our new developments are the sustainability and the user service. For the sustainability, it is important the research in new materials and the optimization of the system weights. For the user service, Masats is focused in to get a high level of safety, reliability and maintainability. These factors improve the availability of service to users. Latest technologies as data analytics and artificial intelligence are good tools to achieve the reliability goals. Masats is investing in control and supervision of systems, and this is the key for the predictive maintenance. Masats has a relationship of more than 30 years with Eurecat Manresa, working especially with the Laboratory of Materials. Actually, Masats work with several centers of Eurecat. We can remark two projects with a big impact in the value of Masats. One is Shift to Rail. Shift to Rail is a project in collaboration with several European companies. Masats is participating in the field of the manufacturing of composite doors. The other one is the project of predictive maintenance that has opened new international business opportunities.
In this predictive maintenance project, Eurecat has helped us to develop a technological solution that allows us to predict failures in our access systems, doors, ramps, gap fillers, before they occur. This tool, developed in cooperation with Eurecat, is very useful for us to achieve our goals, which are optimize lifecycle cost, increase reliability, and optimize safety of our equipment, which are key features for our customers, especially public transport operators. Additionally, it has an environmental impact because it reduces the maintenance plan actions and reduces the spare parts, because we only act when the condition arises, only when it is necessary. It is a huge benefit for the end users, the users of public transport, because it will increase safety and it will reduce vehicle breakdowns. Besides all the expertise on big data and analytics that Eurecat has, as a technological center, it also has the capability of giving us an objective and external vision of the project, and they have the intelligence to help you and during all the project phases to ideate and define the best solutions according to our needs. Eurecat has an excellent methodology doing projects because they are focused on achieving the goals. This is done because the objectives are clear at the beginning of the project, thanks to an empathy exercise with the customers to know its needs. It has been very easy to work with Eurecat, mainly for two reasons. First of all, because they work excellent as a team and with other companies. And second of all, because they have passion for what they do, and they have helped us to achieve our goals and working together as a team.